Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, 27 October 2020, we welcome you all to our MST School of Trading for commodity and equity trading. So let us enter into the video. So before we enter into video, we all request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and like, share to all your trading friends. So first what you have to do, so we have to select the script which we want to trade. Then we have to add our indicator MST core. Then click on first buy and first sell. So these two we have to do, that's all. So here it is showing first sell at 2888 and first buy at 2852, and the first buy SL will be 2827 and first sell SL will be 2914. The sell target will be 2862 and buy target will be 2878. So that's all, it is very clear. So now the market is trading in between these two, neither buy activated nor sell activated. We have to wait for the entry. When the market comes to 2852, we have to go for buy. When the market goes to 2888, we have to go for sell. Okay, this is very simple. So next thing, we have to enable second sell and second buy. So our second sell and second buy will be activated only upon two conditions. First condition, only if first buy or first sell all three targets are done, then our second buy or second sell will be activated. Then second reason would be if the either of the first buy or first sell SL hit, then immediately our second buy or second sell will be activated. That's all. It's very simple. So the second buy will be activated at 2914 for the target of 2940, and the SL will be 2887. The second sell will be activated at 2827 for the target of 2801 with the SL of 2852. So it's very simple. So based on this, you can trade daily. If you trade, we are sure that we can make good profit at month end. No need to worry about. But you have to follow the strategy. What is the strategy? Initially, you have to place one lot. Then if the SL hit, you have to go for two lot. If again SL hit, you have to go for three lot. And whenever you are in profit, you should know how to trial the stop loss. Keep trialing your stop loss. So in yesterday's scenario, what happened? Yesterday, first buy activated at 2878. Then market didn't move up. Then it went down. Then it hit our first sell, first buy SL. Immediately we went for two lots. Again, no, it didn't give any move towards the downside. Again, it went and hit our stop loss. So again, what we have done, we have taken three lot at 2878 for the target of 2904. But what happened? Market has reached only 2902. So what I did, I have taken three lot here and I have closed at two lot at 2900, and I was holding one lot. So one lot I was holding, again the SL hit. So yesterday I booked some 800 rupees loss. 800 rupees loss in the crude oil. It's not an issue because every week no we are getting minimum 13,500 rupees profit without any SL. So loss will come, don't get panic. You should know, you should practice, you should experience the loss also. If you want to trade without any loss, then you can see only the screenshot from the North India people. It is not at all possible. Okay, professional trader will always have a loss as well as the profit, but the successful trader will have more profit than the loss. So see to that whether you are a professional trader or you are a successful trader. So keep following the strategy with discipline, and this video we are posting only for the educational purpose. Before you take trade, kindly consult with your advisor. And those who have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. And those who have not opened account with us, please open account by using any of the link given in the description. Okay, morning what happened, we have given the bank nifty buy call. Bank nifty buy call we had given. So what happened in the bank nifty buy call? We have given the buy call based on the NBR. Based on the NBR. See here, the NBR bottom level was 23,930, So what I did, I have taken this 23,930 and I have added my one more indicator, that is MST Robo. See here, MST Robo 2.0. Just note down the NBR value 23,930. I'm hiding that MST core indicator. I'm enabling this one. I'm entering that value 23,930 and OK. Okay. So now how it looks. See here. Immediately I have used just in a fraction of second I have taken this entry. See, I have given buy about 23,971. 23,971. So after activating the buy entry, immediately went on to some two targets. Then it went down. But see here, our SL was safe. Our SL is only 80 points, but SL was safe. So now our again a second time our buy entry activated 23,971, four targets done. Then we have to enable the next four buy targets. So exactly 8 targets done. Exactly 8 targets done. Again, what we said, market will reverse from the 24,400 to 24,500 range. How we said that? It is because of the top level NBR. So market will reverse from 24,400 to 24,500 range. See here, exactly our 8 targets done. Each block line is a reversal point. Each block line is the reversal point. Okay, so this also you can do using our robo indicator. So those who want to subscribe to our indicator, they can contact us. We will help you and you can make profit only if you are following any strategy continuously. If you are following one day this one, next day that one, you will never become a successful trader. Okay, keep in mind. All the best. Happy profitable day ahead.